Okay, so I'm fresh out of the shower and everything, and I forgot to cut the vlog off yesterday. But we went to Dad's. We originally went to Dad's for ice cream after we went to the Wild, and then found out that they take cash only. So yeah, whoops. Anyways, we instead went to the North Pole. They took our cards and everything, all set to go. But yeah, so today we are going to head to the Hamlet, which is right next to the North Pole, for breakfast, and then go to, what is it? After breakfast, we're going to go to the North Pole, not the North Pole, the Rosemond Gifford Zoo, and then after that, go to Dad's, and if we have time, if they're still open, we'll see it when we can check out the Oz Museum. But yeah, fun stuff. Today is the last day, unfortunately, but it's been fun. It's been really fun today. It's been fun this entire weekend. But yeah. Okay, so we made it to the Rosemond Gifford Zoo. I'm gonna take a video off. Look at that. And they just put in this big old octopus here, along with a few starfish.
Life comes out of depths.
It's Dory!
Land life explodes.
Bubbles!
Yeah? My bubbles.
Terry.
Yo, Casey. Look at this.
Dory!
Do you want a picture?
Dory. Hey, Nemo's over there.
A big old pufferfish. Pufferfish and some eels.
Are you sure you don't want to walk?
Hey, this fish looks like it's having a real...
Guys, these fish are looking at me weird. And look at this. Really big pufferfish. Oh my goodness.
Oh, there we go. I get it. A little help, please.
I think that's bloat. I'm not sure.
I'll go deflate him. Look at this giant thing. His buddy in the back.
Insert snow cloak music here.
Insert what music here?
Snow cloak. It's a temple. Alright, so here are the poison dart frogs. Same as I remember. Golden frog. This guy's new. Got some lizards. This guy.
You know, people say tigers can't change their stripes. I wonder what tigers sound like.
So guys, I never liked these as a kid. I was too scared of them. No, I'm not one for snakes. No snakes. But at least they're sleeping. At least they're sleeping. Thank goodness. Maybe this one isn't. Holy crap, the eye's still there.
He's just chilling.
Either way. You're still cute. Look at the squirrel monkeys, everybody. Look at the squirrel monkeys.
Unfortunately, the squirrel monkeys are not looking at us.
Look at them. They're adorable. All the adorableness. All the cuteness of squirrel monkeys. Like I said, you put cute animals in my face, this is what happens. Oh yeah, we're getting to the gator pit. Yeah, this is mainly there was it's mainly turtles now, but like there's at least there's a couple of alligators in there. There's a couple of little ones over there.
Dwarf caiman.
Yeah. But I remember as a kid they put like big alligators in here, and I was just like, nope. Look at the turtles, guys, they're so cute. And there's some big ones right here. Mom would always love this. She loves birds.
Oh, it's a turtle.
There's a few of them there. There's birds everywhere. There's a few of them right here. Oh, look at the one that's sleeping.
I wonder which part of the front is.
Oh yeah, these are all the ones with the nests.
Oh, those are awesome.
Look at all
I
these
don't know how you guys
sloths.
can see this, but we're looking at sloths right here. And let me tell you, that's a surprisingly big ball of fluff.
Have you ever seen one up close?
No. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, these guys are huge. Look at this little guy, he's so cute. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like, this guy is adorable. It's called a leopard, but like, oh, he's so close to like pet, like legit. He's cute. There's the lions, guys. They're just chilling, having the funnest time of their lives. It's too hot outside for them. They're still cute. Look at this guy, he's an awesome lad. Oh, he's so cute.
I will call it a Damska.
Oh my gosh, Casey. He's adorable. Look at him. I remember now. This is Zabu. Zabu Babu! Look at him. Aww. Today, Chris and Bob does something strange. That to the hand of it. It's another way. They follow the new bounce in the front. Oh, they're so cute. This guy just jumped over to us. Hi. Hello. Yes, can I help you?
I'm sorry, little guy. We don't speak Morse code.
Rat. 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 What if he's gonna follow us when we go to the other side? Watch. He's probably gonna follow us. If anything. Oh my gosh!
Sure enough. This guy's following us. I don't feel safe.
Hi!
This guy is following us.
Rat.
We're being stalked by a bird.
He's particularly coming over to me. This is kind of weird. Like, what? Oh great, you just pooped. But you're new. Hi!
It's a little past mating season, buddy.
I was gonna say, excuse me, but I'm already taken. Thank you.
Is it just me, or is he missing like half of his foot?
Yeah, looks like it. Like he's. Hi. What kind of bird are you?
You are a white-necked raven.
Oh wow. Cause like literally, like as.
Like posing for you.
He's been following us this entire time. Like we would go back and forth, and like I'm pretty sure if we moved back there now, he would follow us over to the other side and start pecking at the glass.
It's funny. He's gonna fan out.
He's pretty. You know what we got over here?
I know.
There's a third one over here. And there's some smaller ones in there too.
There's a couple different birds.
Tink would go nuts for these guys. Like he just sees a bunny and then wants to chase it. I don't know what it is, but for some reason the dog just chases it and goes to do anything. He's still cute. One of the gooses right here.
Yeah, I see him.
Hey, hi buddy. Hello. The duck was chasing the goose all the way over here. That's hilarious.
You want to be careful with these particular birds, though. Ducks, geese, swans. They can be
Look at you doing that whole thing. Look at him, he's like power swimming. Jeez.
And they're just going after each other like, look at that. Now you know who's in charge.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, blue cranes. Oh my gosh, he's beautiful.
That's gorgeous.
He's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Hi, buddy.
Yeah, here comes some penguins.
Yeah, we're getting up to the penguin exhibit. They put these in a few years ago. And they're so cute. I remember like every time that a new penguin is here, they have a contest to see like who will name the baby penguin.
He's over there.
Well, the camera's not gonna get it very well.
See if we can track it.
Look at them.
Hey, two.
Three of them.
Nah, just smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.
What's up, boy? What's up, boy? He's like this.
Got a lot more penguins in here.
Out their lifetime, humans go through 2, elephants go through 6, and they even lose that last set towards the end of their life. They'll lose all 4 of their teeth eventually. So like I said, this helps them to grind up all that food they eat. Elephants are herbivores, so they eat a lot of hay, grass, leaves, and all that sort of stuff.
Okay guys, so we went to Dad's Ice Cream. We went to, we tried to go to the Oz Museum, but they were closed on Sundays.
Go
so,
figure.
I know. But like, we decided to do like a very early supper and then and go to BK. So yeah, and then we're on our way home. I'm on my way home at the least. And then Casey leaves tomorrow. Sad face. So much sad face. But yeah. This weekend's been fun. I will say that. It has been very fun. I just wish there was like more to do around the area, so like, you know. But yeah. So I will see you Well, also, Casey, it's been fun having you.
Thanks for having me.
And obviously, the next time, if I could not drop my camera, it will be MagFest, where everybody's gonna be coming together at once. All the magic's gonna happen at MagFest. I'll see you guys then. This is Fetch, signing. Oh! Don't! Fetch, signing. Say goodnight, Gracie.
Good night, Gracie.